Hi, today we are going to learn about finding surface area of stacked cubes. Let's look at a problem. Solve. Find the surface area. Cubes have side length 1 unit. Now, in order to find the surface area here, the formula for surface area is given as surface area of cuboid. Since this has a hole, I am considering it as a cuboid here. So 2 times LW plus WH plus HL, where stands for length, W stands for width, and H stands for height. Let us see what's the length, height, and width of this cuboid. This is the length 1, 2, 3. So 3 units since one side is 1 unit. This is the width 1, and this is the height. Again 3 units. So L is 3, W is 1, and H is 3. So let's put in the formula and let's see what is the surface area of this cuboid. 2 times 3 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 3 times 3. 2 times 3 plus 3 plus 9. 9 plus 3 12 plus 3 15. So 15 times 2 is 30. So it's 30 square units. Now we will consider this hole in the cuboid. Here you can see this is a hole. So our front and the back surface areas will be subtracted from this 30 square units. So we will have surface area as 30 minus 2 square units, plus we need to add for these 4 surfaces which are there on the top, bottom, and 2 sides. So plus 4 square units. So 30 minus 2 is 28 plus 4, which is 32 square units, which is the answer in the D part. We can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. Find the surface area. Cubes have side length 1 unit. Now let's divide this figure into a single cube and this cuboid. I'm splitting here. So the surface area of this cube, this is side length 1. Surface area of cube is 6a square, which is 6 times 1 squared, which is 6 square units. And for this cuboid, length will be 3, width will be 1, and height will also be 1. So surface area here will be given by 2 times LW plus WH plus HL, which is 2 times 3 plus 1 plus 3. 3 and 3 6 plus 1 7. 7 times 2 is 14 square units. So the surface area of the stacked cube will be given as 6 plus 14, and minus we have to do 2 surfaces when we will join this. So 20 minus 2, that's 18 square units, which is the answer in the C part. We can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. Find the surface area. Cubes have side length 1 unit. Now let's divide this figure into a single cuboid having side length 3, another single cuboid having side length 3, cuboid having side length 2 and 2 single cubes. The surface area for side length 3 we calculated in the last problem was 14 square units. So this one is also 14 square units. And for single cube we calculated 6. So this one is also 6. Let's calculate for the side length 2. This is 2, length, width will be 1 and height will be 1. So surface area will be 2 times LW 2 times 1 plus WH 1 times 1 plus HL 1 times 2. 2 times 2 plus 1 plus 2, 2, 4, 5. So 10 square units. Let's add all of them to get the surface area. Surface area of stacked cube will be equal to 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 6 plus 6. Now minus, when we'll join this figure we will have some common surfaces. So when this is joined with this, we will have two surfaces as in common. Then when this is joined here with this, again two surfaces is common. Then when this will be joined with the single cube, two surfaces are in common, and this will be joined with this, two surfaces in common. So it is 14 plus 10, 24 plus 14, 38 plus 6, 44 plus 6, 50. 50 minus 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 42 square units, which is the answer in the B part. Can highlight. I hope you can practice more problems on finding surface area of stacked cubes now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.